Very good evening to all of you. My name is Kamal Kishore, and I am from Sector 6. Today I just got a good chance by Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir, due to which today I am standing in front of you to speak some of the topics. As we are knowing that the population of India is 1.3 billion. It means that 1.3 billion matters a lot, and 1.3 million means the issues. As there is so many as we talk about the population, we also talk about the issues, and 1.3 million means we have 1.3 million issues in our country, and in 1.3 million issues of our country there is one current issue which is trending in India, that is what boycott of Bollywood. Why we are boycotting Bollywood? Why some of the peoples they are in the favor of boycotting Bollywood? Why some of the peoples they are in favor of that people who have been boycotted or whom they are boycotted? It's a lot of things that we have to talk now. So boycotting Bollywood is a different thing. Okay, according to me, boycotting Bollywood movies is a different thing. What I feel, especially I'm talking about myself, that it is all propaganda. Why do we boycott Bollywood? If you will see the statement of some of the Bollywoodians or some of the peoples, we find that they makes the fake propaganda against the Hinduism. That is the only thing. Some people says that they are the anti-nationals. That's why we are boycotting Bollywood. Some people speaks that they are not making meaningless. They are meaningless movies. They are making meaningless movies. That's what we are making boycotting Bollywood movies. Some people speaks that some actors or actress or directors or producers they have made some biased comments against Hinduism, such as today we are just knowing that before 2 days one famous actor and actress they visited famous Ujjain Mahakal Mandir and they have been boycotted. Why? As we all know that the one group of peoples named Bajrang Dal they have boycotted or they have raised a voice against that Bollywoodians. They said that they are talking about babes. Means that in whole context we can say that there are a lot of things due to which today we are forced to boycott the Bollywood movies. Lot of things. What today we are listening, but what I feel that is all a fake propaganda. The only one thing that I find that they are not able to produce good movies. That's why people are not interested in watching their movies. If it was as we are saying that we should boycott the Bollywood, then why the movie like Uri, the movie like Kashmiri Files, they are hit. So for me, it's a totally a fake propaganda.
Yes, like you said, a lot of things about Bollywood and the reason behind boycotting of it. Of course, we are boycotting Bollywood, we are boycotting such things. But we, as a community, need to understand the reason why it's happening, the reason behind it. Like you pointed out so many points. But I am telling you something. We all are directly connected to Bollywood, and we have always been learned some good things, some good, bad things. But now the scenario has not totally been changed. Now what I personally thinking, Bollywood industry and the kind of subject, the kind of script, what they are providing to us, I think they are going in a wrong way. I mean, they are not providing a proper script, proper direction to go or to see. So that may be the main reason, and I think that is the ultimate reason. And also, like you said, they are targeting our Hindu culture. Of course, most of the time we are seeing Bollywood film industry they are targeting our Hindu culture, especially they are showing some unethical things which is not so good for us and also for culture, and other one like different people have their different mindset to think, to do works, and we as common people also we have that privilege, we have that authority to make them boycott or do anything. If they are not providing proper subject, proper view to see, definitely we'll boycott them. But again, I am saying the same thing. It is not directly our responsibility to boycott any kind of things what we are doing. Of course, everything has a system to do. Like boycotting of anything, to forbid of anything, to stop anything, we have a system. Like we have a censor board. They will take action on them. They will take good decision. Then why we as a people, we as a community, why we are directly stopping them? Why we are directly getting involved to their issues? So I don't think that is a correct thing to do. And of course, there are many more things to discuss and to say. So what do you think? What do you think about it?
Thank you, Mr. Kailas. Right now, burning news is trending is going on like boycotting Bollywood. Boycotting Bollywood because previous time you said that it's a fake propaganda. But according to me, this is not a fake propaganda because mostly, like you said, some example like Uri and lots of movies. Yes, these movies are very good, but lots of time the main target, soft target is only Hindus. Like lots of, I also have also example like PK movies, OMG and lots of things. Not only movies, especially songs are also directly targeted Hindus both. Like a song which is sung Lord Radha. Radha is sexy. This type of song is directly targeted Hindus. This type of songs is very badly for our culture. Because in Indian, we are Indian, we have population 1.30 billion and this type of people, lots of Hindus. And directly why? According one simple question I asked, why only Hindus targeted? Lots of movies, Devils is also like Tilak Dharis and doing artists like Ganesh Putan or something. Why not any
Other communities.
Other communities?
That's what I want to clear that why I am saying that it is a fake. As you gave an example of movie like Oh My God, OMG, PK movie, you know. They were the hit movies at that time.
Definitely.
They were the
No,
hits.
let me clear about that thing. Like you said, they are in a hit way. But try to understand the reason what they are showing us. Of course, if someone is saying any bad to anyone, definitely we as human beings automatically be targeted or automatically be attracted to that thing. So it is not so good and it is actually against our ethics now. If you are targeting our God, if you are doing anything wrong to our culture, our society, people will definitely, some other people will definitely attract on that to see or to learn what they are doing and what they are actually doing, and they are getting entertainment out of our culture. So this is not a kind of joke to do or to play with our culture. So I am seriously against that, and I will say that this is not this can't be tolerated. And if you are doing any wrong activities against our culture, it can't be
It
tolerated.
is completely intolerable, you are completely right, but you are innovating most of the thing in your life, such as in songs. Why you are not boycotting Bollywood songs? Why you are not boycotting Jharkhandi songs? Why you are not boycotting Bhojpuri songs?
I'm telling you,
They are also ruining your culture. What such as in Bollywood at previous there was a song called Choli Ke Piche Kya. What does it mean? Choli Ke Piche Kya hai? In Bhojpuri it is also said, in Jharkhandi, in Bengali, in whole of the language. This so
But we
we
are
are innovating a lot of things. Why on such a popular topic on Bollywood? Such as an example, recently a movie came of Akshay Kumar. Everybody is knowing that he is a right winger. Right winger. He is a right winger. Is that what actually there is a mindset of the people that the people who belongs to RSS BJP and who are the followers of RSS BJP or those who tells them that we are Hindu, okay, they praise Akshay Kumar a lot. Why? Because he is a nationalist. As we say, he is a nationalist.
Raksha Bandhan previous movie is flop.
Flop. So he is a right winger.
and that is not because of
What
that.
I am saying, what is fake propaganda? Why Raksha Bandhan became flop? If Akshay Kumar did not do any wrong thing, why did Raksha Bandhan
No,
flop?
I'm clearing that point. Actually, just it was flopped not because of Akshay Kumar. Actually, that director, that film director has said something bad on public.
Hate speeches is also considered a
Hate
hate speech.
speech, actually, you know, hate speech. Akshay Kumar has also given a lot of hate speech. Paresh Rawal in Oh My God. Right now, today he is a right winger. Okay, he follows Modi, BJP, RSS, and rest of the thing. He follows. So today we are saying that Paresh Rawal is a very good man, and even in
Who can say Paresh Rawal is a good man?
yes, we have seen. Okay, such as in the case of what Paresh Rawal in a statement. Okay, in a statement he had spoken a lot of things about Hinduism that we are the Bollywood they are ruining culture. Okay, such as in the same example, Kangana Ranaut they are supporting Hinduism, but at their previous life, okay, before BJP, they have also done most of the
Actually, in this time, social media is time, and if any news is come, viral immediately. Not this time because in this boycotting trend, in previous time also it will happen. But right now, if anything like the previous video, like who's Ranveer Kapoor, he likes beef in videos trending. Lots of people that time reason, and Alia Bhatt also said, if you don't like me, then don't watch me. Then definitely we are follow. If anyone says if you don't like me, you don't watch me. So definitely people follow this statement.
Akshay Kumar never said that please don't boycott us. He never
That's-
made a
that's-
statement.
Akshay Kumar statement-
He's a right winger. Paresh Rawal is a right winger. Okay. Actually, there are two wingers in India. One is right winger and one is left winger. It means that those who follow BJP are he is a right winger and
Politics is a different thing.
Actually, it is all happening due to politics. Okay. Kangana Ranaut, her movie was flopped.
Just Dhakad, I think.
Dhakad flop.
Let me say. Actually, we are.
What I am saying that the content is very important.
Definitely.
Content is very important. We are not boycotting. We are boycotting the content of that movie. According to me, we are boycotting only the content of the movie, and by the name of us, as we are boycotting the content, the politicians, okay, they are taking the what favorable things against what they are getting the good things or they are getting the favors, okay, against their what haters. So content is very important. Such as in recently we have seen a movie. It was Liger. South Indian movie. We almost say that the South Indians they follow Hinduism. We say that like with the South Indians they follow Hinduism. We should follow Hinduism. We should appreciate the South Indians movie. We should watch South Indians movie. If it is, why did Liger follow content? Once again the content. So content is very important. The politician will say that due to this statement, that statement, the film is being boycotted. But for us,
But one line, if anyone said that if you don't like me, you don't watch me, then definitely some people follow this statement. If you said that you are not, sorry, if you not like me, then don't talk with me. Then definitely I don't talk with you.
You watched movie PK?
Definitely.
Huh? We were boycotting PK. It became hit even though we watched. Why? But the content was good, something new. We need something
But
new.
something problem is.
It was yes. Problem is something different. Problem is something different. We can oppose on that matter. Movie of Amir Khan.
Lal Singh Chaddha.
Lal Singh Chaddha. It flopped. Before that, there was also a movie in Dhobi Ghat. He was not in that movie. Her wife, she was the producer of that movie. That was also flopped. If you will see continuous thing, okay. Shah Rukh Khan. It's been more than 8 or 10 years. It did not give a single hit movie. After Salman Khan, his new movie with Katrina Kaif, that was also flopped. Or new movie, the last film I think it was Bhaijan, Barangi Bhaijan.
No,
That
no.
was hit. That was hit.
Ah, that was
hit. Later than that, what the movie he made
Right,
was
lots of
flawed.
flawed.
Same thing happened with
Amir Khan sir.
Saif Ali Khan. Same thing happened with Amir Khan. There was a time. Actually, it is a phase where the people does not give good film. You might have seen a movie of Akshay Kumar in 2006 or 7. There was a movie. Actually, I'm a big fan of Akshay Kumar. As part of that, I do not. I just follow the contents. I also watch what movie like KGF. I also watch Oh My God. I also watch PK. I also watch Uri. I also watch the movie like it was made Kashmir Files. I watch everything. Why do I watch everything? Because contents matter for me. The thing is that contents matter for me. I do not feel that we are boycotting. If you had watched PK or Oh My God or Kashmir Files, it means that the contents. If you are boycotting any movie, why do you follow or why did you watch PK or Oh My God? Because for you, the contents matter. You felt that the content is good, we should watch that movie. Why did you not watch Liger movie? The content is not good. Why did we watch KGF? The content was good. That's why we watched KGF. Why did we not watch Lal Singh Chaddha? The content was not good. So for me, overall, here the politics is different thing, the content is different thing, and I'm talking about the second aspect of that. Okay, right now we don't have time to watch movie. Actually, it is a time of what? Web series. Every web series is almost hit. Because what? The contents, they are giving a new contents which what emphasizes, which force us to see that web series. Such as we have seen a lot of web series, such as I have not seen even a single web series, okay, because I am not fond of movies and web series. I never watch movies, I never watch web series. Okay. But I know there are some of the movies that were movies or web series that was hit. Movie like Gang of Wasseypur that was completely hit. Yes, there was a lot of vulgarity in that movie.
I'm telling you, I just want to add one thing. Like you said, we as an audience, we want a good subject, a good content. So content matters a lot in our life. But tell me one thing, right? You said we always have seen so many good contents of Bollywood, and we always make that film hit. But tell me one thing, like PK movie. We all know PK was a hit movie. But of course, we know that thing on that movie some good things, some examples they are exaggerating that scenario and made to us. Exactly,
Yes.
it happened. So if someone is exaggerating anything and making good for us, and we are making them hate, so is it right for us as a community? Because like you said, on that movie, content was good.
Yes.
But of course, content was good, but he was showing some different thing. He was exaggerating the culture of Hindu.
Yes.
So we are getting excited, and we are really feel very excitement and to see that movie just because he is exaggerating some ideas and we are getting excited just because of that. So this is not the ultimate thing to do, and of course I don't like to support that thing if someone is exaggerating.
That's what I am also supporting you, that the contents we are just forcing them to make a good contents. Why we are boycotting?
Of course.
To make them a good content.
To the boycott
Good content.
will be
Yes. Here I am totally 100% agree with both of you that we are forcing that Bollywoodians to make good contents. Okay. But there are some of the movies which is not being highlighted. Have you seen a movie Lunchbox?
Yeah, I have seen that.
English medium?
Yes.
English medium, definitely.
Both were nominated as for the Oscar. Both were nominated. Finally, they did not get, but they got the Oscar. Such as in the same Slumdog Millionaire, it was not a Indian movie, but it was based on the Indian theme. Okay, it was based on the Indian theme. We followed, but we did not watch Slumdog Millionaire. We did not watch Lunchbox. We did not see English medium or Lunchbox. They make good contents, but we are not fond of that. Such as in Bihar, we are talking about Bhojpuri songs. There are a lot of good songs, but we don't know what is the good songs. What we need, they gives us.
Look, one thing, good content is a different thing. Of course, we all need good content. But suppose someone is making such kind of activities and we are getting interest on and we are showing interest on them. So what will we do on the time? Mean if someone is exaggerating and if someone is manipulating someone, and we are feeling excited by seeing that. Suppose in this time, like you said, vulgarity type or such thing, we human beings sometimes feel excited by seeing such thing. So and automatically, if you are feeling excited, you will definitely go and will see that movie. And by you going, that film will automatically be hit. So and it's mean they will get their money. They are making money out of us. And still when we came back to our home, we will say no, that movie was not so good for public. But still you had seen that movie. And just because of you, he made his money and he become hit.
So
what do you say on that?
So for this, there is a system called rating. If you will say, now that is the main thing that you have to think, that why we are boycotting. What is the rating of Lal Singh Chaddha? It is not more than 3.5.
I don't.
It is not more than 3.5. Whatever the movie that was flopped or being boycotted, you can see that rating was very poor of that movie.
Yeah, it's mean
And
This is your work, no?
that is a very important factor. Means that the critics who are sitting there to criticize or favor in that movie, okay, who are favoring the movie, they give a critics, okay, they give the ratings, and whatever the movie, as today we are saying that we have boycotted, okay, in the name of content, in the name of vulgarity, in the name of whatever we can say, due to which we are boycotting, they did not give a proper rating to that movie. So and movie like Uri, rating was too good. That movie, there was no any good actors or actors in that
This
movie.
is also like nepotism is also.
Nepotism, but actually the critics only looks at the contents of the movie, that what they are watching. It is worth of the people or not. Does people watch that movie or not? What it is in the movie. They do the postmortem everything, okay, and after that they give that rating. And if you will see what the whole data, whatever the movie was flopped, okay, their rating was very poor, and that is the only thing which can prove that we are not boycotting due to statement of some movie, due to statement of some people or actors or actress. It is all due to the contents of that. So that is why I am saying that it is a propaganda. People actually, if it is a class, there are 12 or 50 people sit in that class. All the 50 persons, there some maybe someone is right winger, maybe someone is left winger, some is Hindu, some is Muslim. Somebody speaks against Hinduism, somebody speaks against Modi, somebody speaks against RSS, somebody speaks against Muslim, Sikh or Isai, whatever it is. But we never fight each other in the class. After talking, we are friends. Here, yes, whatever it is in the mind, let it be, but we never fight. So, the Indians, what is the mindset of the Indians? We forget everything. Okay, if just think that if we are not in the habit of forgetting everything, if we are not in the habit of forgetting, then we might have never, okay, accept Congress. We might have never accept Muslims in India. We might have never accept Britishers in India. What they have done to our India, we all are knowing, but even though we support them, such as in example, recently a tournament, Asia Cup, okay, right now it is going on. Everybody is knowing that India and Pakistan, they are complete enemies. In spite of that, they are playing or not, because in sports we are not enemy. In sports, we are not. Who is the enemy? Only the soldiers are enemy. They are doing their work. No one is enemy. They are doing their work, and no one is enemy. Okay.
Actually, we went in a diplomatic way. Actually, this is not our topic. We are talking about boycotting. Again, I am saying the same thing. Like we have discussed a lot of things about the reason why we are boycotting. And one more thing, what I feel, Indian Bollywood now they are showing a Western culture system. They are providing a Western mindset of doing in our life, and there what I feel and what as a common person I feel it's not so good because we Indians have a limitation of doing any work. We all follow some rules, some ethics, and we all are bounded with some culture. So if someone is showing against our culture, if someone is going beyond to our culture, this is not for our. This is not good for our.
Have you ever boycotted Raj Kapoor?
No, actually.
You know the first vulgarity in Bollywood was given by Raj Kapoor. There was a movie called Mera Naam Joker. Mera
So
Naam
we don't
Joker.
have-
It was the first movie when the Bikini was used. The Bikini was used, but we never boycotted that movie. In the song Choli ke piche kya hai, we never boycotted thing.
No,
Okay,
no,
it
no.
is a trend. Okay, it is a trend. Right now, it is a time of right wingers. Okay,
But
it is a-
but now the train is going in a rapid way, and this is capturing all our culture. That's why we think now our culture is in a danger zone. That's why we all are aware of such things, and we are trying to escape ourselves. Not only escape, we are trying to protect ourselves.
At this point, I am
this is-
satisfied that the culture, they are just destroying our culture.
Obviously,
They are
yes.
degrading our culture. It is such as at previously we were not knowing that it is Tulsi Puja.
Yeah.
What is Tulsi Puja? We were not knowing, but right now, but in the same example, recently 5 September past, you
Yes.
all celebrated 5 September Teachers Day.
Hmm.
But it is not our Teachers Day. You know, it is not. It is a part of Western culture. Okay. Actually, we are just out of the point topic. Okay. It is not a part of Western. It is not a part of Indian culture. Our Indian culture. You know, when do we celebrate Teachers Day according to Indian culture?
I don't know.
That is what we. That is what it is being degraded. Okay. It is Guru Purnima. At that very day, you must celebrate Teachers Day. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
It is the day. Guru Purnima is, according to Indian culture, Guru Purnima. Okay, it is the day where we should respect or celebrate Teachers Day in our country.
That is the reason. Now we are saying we are just losing our culture system. We are culture, dates, all ethics, morals, such things we are losing. That's the reason we are trying to revive all such things and trying to get into it.
So do you think that that you are thinking that if we will boycott Bollywood, the Bollywood make movie, Bollywood will make movie which will sing according to the Hinduism.
Now let me clear that. Let me clear that. I'm making it clear. Bollywood is the highest level of platform through where we are totally connected and we are getting some ideas, some good information, bad information. We all are highly connected and we all are used to of it. If he is showing something bad, there are many more people. Like you said, we Indians are 1.3 some million people. We Indians are. So some of them, not only some of them, I mean maximum percentage of people, we all are following the Bollywood culture. What they are showing us, like whatever they are wearing, we all are copying them. We all are doing the same thing what they are doing. So this is a bad thing if we are
So can you state an example? Can you state an example? What they are showing and we are following, that is not good for us.
Of course, I'm telling you now. They are just providing.
So what? Can you give an example of that?
I'm telling you.
I will show you that what they are giving good things that we are following.
I'm
But can you must state one example that they are giving us something bad which we are following.
The
Just
kind
give an example of that.
first thing, the kind of dressing sense what they have or what they normally do now, we all are copying it. That is the first thing. Of course. And we Indians are, like I said, we all Indians are in a limited way. We all are following our culture very strongly. The actress, what they are doing, like they are doing everything. They didn't even care. They don't care about what we common people will think, what we will do. They all are doing in a different way. They all are wearing short dresses, bikinis. Let me complete. They all are wearing short bikinis and kind of different work they all are doing. And we all are blindly working and we all are blindly believing and we all are copying them. So this is. Do you think this is the right way? Because Indian culture it doesn't allow us. So what do you think of this?
So actually you are saying that what they are showing, such as you just gave an example that dressing sense. Have you ever seen a girl in Bokaro wearing
It's
bikini?
not-
Actually, I'm talking about anywhere. Anywhere. Have you ever seen a girl wearing bikini in open or public platform? Actually, we only think that whatever they are giving, we are following. Girls never wear bikini in a public platform. Okay, what they are doing in their house, that is a different thing.
You are just taking the example of rural area.
No, I'm talking rural.
Just go to the metro city, you will definitely see
I
the same
have
thing there.
visited, okay, I have visited in the metro city. Actually, what I have seen at there, okay, the people, they are not used of the Bollywoodians, okay. I had visited Mumbai in 2006. Today, the people of, especially Bihar, Jharkhand and UP, that people are blind. Only that people are blind. They follow the Bollywoodians, but not the girls, the boy. Reels and something, what on the songs or the vulgarity, or that is something different.
I'm
okay.
saying, like you
Yes,
said,
but what are the good things that I'm saying? And I must say that sir will also be appreciated for that statement that sir Karwa Chauth before 20 or 30 years Karwa Chauth was not a part of our culture. Am I right, sir? Who gave us Karwa Chauth? The Bollywood.
Bollywood.
And you know Karwa Chauth, they are just binding us in our culture. Okay. That is a good thing. They are just giving us.
You are talking about only good thing. What is bad thing?
Bad thing. What I am saying that what
There
I
was
am
a movie, also as an example, there was a movie come in 2028 starring Vicky Kaushal.
Yes.
Had a scene in the public train.
Yes, it was the sperm donation that movie.
No. This was a movie as a public train had a conversation between actors and actress. During like topic public romance, during talking, actor and actress starting kisses in public place. Public place starting kisses, this is a different thing and seamless also. But during kisses, our statement is saying the actor Vicky Kaushal. His statement is that प्राण जाते रघुकुल रीस तदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर पप्पी न जाए. You know just two line.
You know that actually you are saying that it is the look for me it is a globalization. It is a part of the globalization. Okay.
What is the globalization, bro? It's
Yes, it is a globalization. Actually, it is a culture of something. You know,
but
it is a
the two
culture
lines
of
is right for Lord Rama's family.
I don't know what you think and what
This type of swear can't be globalization.
It is being globalized. It is a being globalized, such as jeans and shorts.
This is another thing.
Picnic was also not a part of us. Okay, part of our culture. Okay, or the Indians dressing style or attire. Okay, whatever it is. Picnic was also not. Jeans was also not.
I'm
Short
not
was also
talking
not.
dressing sense. I'm talking about
Let's
the
say singing the statement that is all what a part of that thing which is degrading our culture.
This
And
line can't be justified because these two lines are very important for previous time and right now also. These two lines is delight for Lord Rama's Krishna's families, Lord Rama's families.
he is basically
Because this the truly line is रघुकुल रीस सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. This line is
I'm not talking about that statement. Okay, I'm particularly saying that what kissing in publicly. Okay.
this topic we are not discussing. This is a simple. I think this is another topic. I am talking this statement only two lines. रघुकुल रीस सदा चली आई प्राण जाए पर पप्पी न जाए.
Even though we are not boycotting that Vicky Kaushal, why?
no,
Means that for us, once again I am saying for us, the content is very important.
we are not boycotting them, bro. We are just trying to say that their activities
Stop
affect us.
this type of activity.
That will never affect us, okay?
Their activities
Definitely effective. Definitely
I
effective.
mean that's not the
This time
no, I'm not
definitely
satisfied with
is
it.
what-
Their
If
activities-
it is affecting, just throw out your mobile in the dustbin.
Why would I throw my mobile? He is doing wrong thing now. Why?
Even though,
We are also.
even though he will
we are
make
not-
he will make porn movie, what does it mean? You will say that, what?
We are not
There are a lot of
supported
things.
direct. We are not supported mostly direct, completely boycott Bollywood movies because in Bollywood through Bollywood we are also very good movies.
Yes, we are being inspired
Inspired
and
and-
motivated both things. We also inspired from
And
the
Bollywood through Bollywood
We
lots
also
of government taxes paid and lots of things.
everything. I'm satisfied that we are. But what is the yes, I am satisfied that Bollywood inspired us also, demotivate us also, degrade our cultures also.
But
Once
nowadays,
again, the question is that once again, by boycotting, what we can get in the future?
actually,
Let us see.
again, we are coming the same.
If you are trying something, definitely
We had also boycotted a movie named of Ranbir Kapoor, Padmavat. What happened? It was a blockbuster movie. Actually, you know, just think, it is only for the entertainment purpose. Okay, that is only for the. Okay, just think one thing. If they are saying anything about Pandit, if they are saying anything about Pandit, okay, we are saying that he is against the Hinduism, right? But he has to show someone. Maybe he will show Hindu, he will show Muslim, he will show, everybody will say that they are degrading our culture. And villain is always a what?
Why only Hindus?
No, not only Hindus. There are lots of movies. There are lots of movies where the terrorists they are.
Terrorist is a different thing. Already I said, like most of movies,
Terrorist, gunda, goons. Okay, they are all Muslims in the movie.
This
Okay.
is a problem.
Basically-
Muslim movies,
In Muslim movies, then the people of Bihar, they must say that they are degrading us because choti wala or what with tika, that is a part of Bihari culture. Okay, it's a Bihar culture, but Bihar never says that they are what defaming us. Bihar never says that they are defaming. Recently, one statement came. In a program that.
रेडी
Communication बोलना क्या हम भूल गए ये सब convincing और क्या करना।
सो अब ठीक है कोई दिक्कत नहीं हेलो हेलो एक्सक्यूज मी नाउ गिव योर कंक्लूजन वेट
As we have talked a lot about the topic of boycotting Bollywoods. Finally, I conclude that as for me, what I conclude that actually we talked about 4 or 5 points. One is option, one is culture, one is nepotism, one is forcing. Or we have talked about mainly 4 or 5 points. And one thing what I find that in India. We have an option of everything. Nothing can enforce us to do anything. Okay, because today in India we have 3 sentiments. What we have said, one is our constitutional sentiments that we have to follow. Our religious sentiments we have to follow. It is not important. Okay,
Important is just.
Actually, it is not about most of the people. They are ethics. So for them, religion doesn't matter. And third is ethics. Okay, and all these 3 things is totally different from each other. So that's why I am saying that we have an option, and we have an option of choosing anything at any point of time. Today, if we are boycotting Bollywood, it means that no one is enforcing us to degrade our culture. We are just using our option that if they are not giving us the good content, then that is why we are boycotting that Bollywood. If it was not, then the movie like Uri, Oh My God, PK must have the hit movie. So my conclusion is that actually finally in a single line I will say that India is a country where we look every time for the option, and our moral values, our culture is not as weak as we are thinking. Okay, talking education system, that is a different point, but it matters a lot, due to which we are we are not able to follow our culture. So that is the conclusion.
Yes, you said it very well. Like we have talked a lot about why the reason behind boycotting of Bollywood and all such things. But yes, it's for me. I think ultimately it's our responsibility. If someone is not playing his role properly, then it finally comes to the common people responsibility, that what we should take the initial step and what we should take as a good human being, or what just because of the welfare of the society, we should understand the things what we should do, and of course our limitation is very important in our life. We should understand our limitation. the moral ethics, all these things matters a lot in our life. So we need to understand all such things.
The conclusion is the boycotting trending is going on, but we are not just followed because this trending. Lots of people like fake news is also viral this time, because if any movie is boycotting trending, at last one time we must watch the movie. After that we are deciding that the movie good or bad, because the filmmaker and lots of actress and in front of camera, behind the camera, lots of people work very hard for a movie or a song. That's reason we are don't deny such a fake propaganda and lots of things. At first we at least one time watch the movie, then analyze what is good or bad. Thank you.